In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clean white outline to any layer. We'll keep this simple, clear and practical so you can get a crisp outline that makes your subject pop against any background. An outline is great for readability, thumbnails and emphasis, and you can set it up in just a few clicks. Start by selecting the layer you want to outline. This could be text, a logo or any cutout image. Make sure it's highlighted in your layers panel so the effect applies to the right item. Next, right-click the layer and choose Layer Effect, then Border Effect. This opens the controls specifically for creating an outline around your selected layer. If you don't see it at first, make sure you're right-clicking directly on the layer entry in your panel. In the Border Effect settings, set the color to white. White is a versatile choice because it contrasts nicely with most backgrounds and gives that clean professional look. If your document uses a dark theme or busy imagery, a white border will immediately separate your subject and improve visibility. Now adjust the thickness slider to control how wide the outline appears. Slide to the right for a bolder, more noticeable edge, or to the left for a subtle accent. Keep an eye on how it looks at your final output size. A thickness that looks perfect when zoomed in may feel too thin or too heavy once you zoom out. A quick preview at 100% zoom is a reliable way to judge the result. If you want more control, especially for layered compositing or precise spacing, try this alternative. Duplicate the layer, fill the duplicate with white and place it underneath the original. Then expand it using Edit, Transform, Expand Contract. Expanding pushes that white layer outward evenly, creating a customizable outline that isn't tied to the layer effect panel. This approach can be helpful when you need a very specific edge width, when you're preparing assets for export, or when you want the outline to remain even if you later rasterize effects. Small increments work best. Expand a little, check, and then adjust again until it looks just right. That's all you need to create a clean white stroke around any layer. Choose the border effect for speed and easy adjustments, or use the duplicate and expand method when you want extra precision and control. Save your document, review at the size your audience will see, and you're done.